So since we can't seed clean, we got a bunch of snow. Andrew came out to pick up the blade for the versatile that's over at his place. We got like 4 inches, maybe 5. They got apparently like a foot of snow out there, so definitely need to do some plowing with the versatile. So gotta take this tractor over to the farm to lift the blade up, because Skitty Bob just isn't quite big enough to lift that big monster on the trailer. The grader hasn't even been down the road yet. What the heck, MD? What are we paying taxes for? Who's coming behind me? Oh no, that's a neighbor. They're turning. Goodness sakes! Pay all our taxes and you can't plow a road that goes to nowhere. Like, really? What kind of MD is this? With the amount of traffic that comes down this road, it's a wonder that they even plow it. Look at all the snow drifts in the field. All the snow blew into the ditch because we got no stubble to hold it. Next year, hopefully I have a stripper header for this fall. It's so nice until you get outside, and then it's so bloody cold. The wind, like colder than a witch's tit in Siberia. Like, oh, nasty. Howdy. Now let's move this gauge. There we go. So I'm too lazy to open gates up, but just move them out of the way with the tractor. The ticking Hemi. There's something about gas pot. 3/4 tons are kind of handy at times. Especially in the winter. Don't have to plug the diesels in all the dang time. Oh, hello, 2150. Got all the augers, and they all need work. The project row. This Secundiac, it needs the hopper rebuilt. This Westfield that I bought in the fall, I need a new gearbox. The sprayer, hopefully use that this spring. Doing burn off. It's an amazing sprayer for burn off. Just love it. I gotta take the neighbor's roller back. We rented this spring. I never took it back yet. Oh man. Let's go, Hemi. I wanna run you over. And the Missy Combines. They all ready to rock this year. Not even close. Injectors and rotor, and a tire, and then the other one just needs lots of little stuff. And then the drill. Alright, we gotta pick up this big monstrosity of a yellow blade. Pick up the Deagleman blade. Bit of snow here. So how are we gonna skin this cat? Let's lift. Kind of going. As we're maxed out. Friggin' door handle. Let me in!
Yeah.
I think if
we do that, we hook it shorter so it don't come through your grill.
Nah, I need a new grill anyways. Yeah. Also, it's running out of leverage too.
Yeah.
Just skid it out. Hey, it's light.
Yeah, it's light already.
Clearly feel it. Tractor just flat out. Hey, so you plow snow with this, like this.
Yeah. For a while.
Yeah, float the yard with it. Yeah, you can definitely feel it loading up now. Spun out.
Gotta think about this for a bit.
Your thinking hat on. I'll take my thinking hat off. Grab some water.
How does it sit if a person drives it up and if we hook it shorter and stand it right up?
I don't think I have enough lift.
Yeah, not to load it down either. Eh?
Well, actually, if you put it on the middle beam,
Yeah.
not on the other one,
Fork straddle it, maybe. We
yeah.
always unbolt the forks.
Or you could, yeah, you could chain it around the middle beam, or even the front beam, or the middle beam instead of this back one.
Yeah.
Really, if we could just stand it up and then could rechain it. I don't know if we got enough to put it on its nose right now. Let's try this. Have to hook it the other way. Alright, let's try that. Back up. There it goes sideways. Gotta tilt a little more. Come on. Gotta lose some hydraulic oil, I think. Just trying. There you go. It uses like a forklift. Look at that. Back this up a little bit so you can get under it. Mint! Who needs a forklift when you got a tractor with a bale forks on it? Ooh, that hose. Yeah, drive right under. Look like we know what we're doing. What the heck? might be good. That hose. Probably. Now we chain it up. See about that? Look at that, like a glove. Poor trailer, maxed out. Well, that works. Need another chain on it? There we go, got an extra chain on it. And he's off to a Saskatchewan with a big long sail. And I'm going home. Hell with this.